Hello guys, this is a short video how to block ReadAI from your organization. So first of all, probably you have tons of users with this application installed on Teams or Zoom, something like that. If you want to block them, you need to do some really easy steps, but you need the help of an admin. And the admin have access to Azure and they can do some changes. So I will show you. For example, I'm going to log in to ReadAI, and you can see I can access to the portal. It says that I have my calendar. I think it's Teams. It's already set up here, and probably your users use Teams window and they add the application directly. So I'm going to show you. It's really simple. It's really simple, really powerful how you can block this app from your organization. So let's move on to Azure. Well, if you're here in Azure, you can go to Microsoft Entra ID, and in the enterprise applications, you will find the application called Read, Meeting Navigator, or ReadAI, or something like that. You can find the name really easily. If you have a lot of applications, you can type Read, and the process is the same. Any applications you want to block from your tenant or something like that, you go to Properties, and this is the option Enable for your users to sign in. You choose this option, No, and Save, and they will not be allowed to register on this app. And if you have a lot of applications set up already for many users, probably you have a bad configuration in Azure. So for change that configuration, you need to do this after that. You go to Enterprise Applications, and you going to Admin Consent Request, no, Access Review, Consent Permissions, and you will choose this one. Do not allow user consent. An administrator will be required for all apps. I know it's sometimes can be really extreme, but it's healthy for your organization, because you will block all this kind of noisy stuff, and I think that it's all. If you are here, allow user consent apps, please use this one or this one, but never this one. It's a really, really bad idea. So thanks a lot. Please subscribe, and I think it's all for this video.